morning, friends. Friends, after completion of the illustration number 2, I would like to discuss number 3 with you. And the question is that in order to study the relationship between the repairing time of accident damaged cars and the cost of repairs, the following information is collected. My dear friends, two things are available over there: repairing time of car, that is man hours, repairing cost in 1000 rupees, and below the data they have given obtain the regression line of y. देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है y और ब्रैकेट में लिखा है y. What it means? Repairing cost. On x it is called repairing time. If the time taken to repair a car is 50 hours, find an estimate of the repairing cost. My dear friends, two columns are available, x and y. So I have mentioned over here x and y. And one thing is compulsory in this chapter: every time compulsorily, without seeing anything, we have to find out our mean, that is called x bar and y bar. So now below the data I would like to write now here mean. So x bar is equal to sum of x upon n. So get total of the column x, and it is 204. So 204 divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 204 divided by 6, the answer is available 34. So x bar is 34. Now y bar, the sum of y upon n. So get the total of y. My dear friend, this is 174. So 174 divided by 6. And the answer is 29. My dear friends, after getting the mean, we got the idea about the method as per my discussion in the second video. The 34 and 29 both are integer value, so it is very easy. We are going to take a first method. This is find out deviation from mean, that is called x minus x bar. So our x bar is 34, so I would like to subtract 34 from the each amount of x. So it is minus 2, 6, minus 9, minus 5, 1, and here is 9. And my dear friends, as per our discussion, whenever we are going to subtract mean from the variable, sum comes out always 0. If it is not 0, means we have done mistake somewhere. Okay, now do the same. It is y minus y bar. So y bar is 29, and I would like to subtract 29 from the each amount of y. So here it is minus 4, here is 6, minus 11, minus 7, minus 1, and 17. My dear friends, again, whenever we subtract mean from the variable, sum comes out always 0. So now product of two things, so x minus x bar into y minus y bar. 2 4s are 8, minus minus plus. Here is 36, 99, 35, minus 1, 17 into 9, it is 153. And get total of this column, this is 330. Then the last column to be prepared is x minus x bar square. So 2 square is 4, here it is 36, 81, 25, 1 and 81. Please get total of this column, it is 228. My dear friend, this method is very easy because of the columns are same as we prepare in the chapter correlations. Okay, so now we have to find out regression coefficient of y on x. It is called b by x is equals to b, and the formula we have sum of x minus x bar y minus y bar divided by sum of x minus x bar square. Keep the one formula in your mind about the correlation coefficient. Numerator remains same here, and the last variable is x here. So information of x being in the denominator only, is in the divisible. We are taking always the variance. That is the reason we cannot take the square root sign. So here sum of x minus x bar y minus y bar, it is 330 divided by 228, and now the answer is 1.45. So b is equals to 1.45. I repeat again the concept. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? It is called rate of ups and downs. अगर आप वेरिएबल x में 1 यूनिट का चेंज करोगे तो वेरिएबल y में 1.45 यूनिट का चेंज होगा इधर साइड में, दोनों साइड में, या तो प्लस साइड हो सकता है या माइनस साइड. नाउ वी आर एबल टू फाइंड आउट a. So a is equals to y bar minus bx bar. So y bar कितना है हमारे पास? 29. b आपके पास है 1.45 और x बार आपके पास है 34. So now 29 minus 1.45 into 34 and the amount is 49.3. The answer is minus 20.3. So a is equals to minus 20.3. It is called intersection point. बराबर है. अब देखते हैं रिग्रेशन लाइन of y on x. It is called y cap is equal to a plus bx. So a की वैल्यू minus 20.3 plus b you have 1.45 into x. So this is your equation. Okay. Now they are also asking to find out estimation. For which amount? क्वेश्चन पर क्या लिखा है? If the time taken to repair a car is 50 hours, मतलब अगर x 50 हो तो आपको एस्टिमेट करना है. लिखेंगे estimated value of y when x is equals to 50. So now y cap is equal to minus 20.3 plus 1.45 bracket में 50. So minus 20.3 plus 1.45 into 50, it given us 72.5. So 72.5 and difference between them is 52.2 y cap. बराबर दोस्तों. अभी देखो आपके पास लिखा है थाउजेंड्स में. ये आंसर आपका जो y है ये मैन आवर्स, ये आवर्स में दिया हुआ है और ये एक्सपेंस थाउजेंड्स में है. तो आप ब्रैकेट में लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे इन. This is our answer, my dear friend. I think it seems very easy. आपको मजा आ रहा होगा क्योंकि ये चैप्टर सेम टू सेम को रिलेशन जैसा है. हाँ, कुछ ट्रिक्स आएंगे बाद में, हम लोग स्टूडेंट ग्रेजुएट डिस्कस करते जाएंगे, लेकिन तब तक के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय बाय.